Well, the latest episode of Invincible was probably the best by far of this season, even better than episode 5. Everyone was waiting for Threk to our farm, how Mark is gonna move after defeating Conquest. But my man Thaddeus just walked onto the screen and reminded everyone why he's the most dangerous man in the galaxy. Imagine someone stealing the whole episode where we have Alan the alien, Mark Grayson, Omni-Man, and even Thrag himself. Well, that's what actually Thaddeus did. Thaddeus is
Optimus Prime.
just kidding. Let's get to the lore street. Because bro's resume is actually insane. Thaddeus is the leader and founder of Coalition of Planets. He is the oldest living known Viltrumite. Thousands of years ago, he did the unthinkable. He murdered Great Emperor Argal, the greatest emperor in Viltrumite history. And he didn't stop there. He developed the Scourge virus which almost wiped out the entire Viltrumite species at once. Bro literally said nah to the genocide and then rewrote the entire galactic meta. And after episode 6, we finally saw that he still got that dog in him. This is what no one saw coming. We expected Thaddeus to participate, but little did we know he's gonna wipe the floor with Viltrumites. Watch the movement here. It's not desperate, bloody brawling like we see from Mark. It's precision. Every strike has a purpose. Every dodge is calculated. All that years of rage still calm his eyes. He reminded the galaxy that before he became Socrates, he was the one who killed the Emperor. And my boy Craig, right-hand man of Thrag, the tank, the killing machine, literally got manhandled by Thaddeus. Those who are not familiar with the comics, Thaddeus actually got beaten by General Craig in this dispute. Unlike we saw in the show. In the show, he was giving straight hands to these Viltrumites, throwed Anissa and Lucan like nothing, and even casually snapping this random Viltrumite's neck. If you ask MBM, Thaddeus absolutely carried episode 6. Without him, the emotional stakes don't land. Without him, the action loses its anchor. He moved the plot forward more than anyone else in the room, the battlefield, and the narrative. This wasn't a supportive character movement. This was a total takeover. While everyone was reacting to the chaos, Thaddeus was the one dictating the terms. He's the reason that episode felt like a turning point for the entire series. When you add it all up, Thaddeus is actually the most complete Viltrumite in the series. Think about the stats. He has the IQ to run a multiplanetary government. He has the balls to kill Emperor Argal and start a revolution. And he has the combat IQ to humiliate General Craig on a Tuesday. He's the only one who plays the long game while being able to win the short game. Mark has the heart, Craig has the strength, but Thaddeus has the blueprint. But don't forget the cost. He carries the guilt of 1,000 years. He knows exactly what his people are capable of. He's seen the blood. He's felt the atmosphere burn. And yet, he still chooses to stand. Every time he throws a punch, he's fighting his own history. So I'm asking you straight up, after episode 6, do you agree that Thaddeus is the most important character in the entire verse? And also tell us about how excited you are for the next episode. Cause we really wanna know how they're gonna handle this character. Cause the next episode is gonna be all about Grand Regent Thrag. We'll come up with the exciting theories and breakdown of the next episode. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the upcoming content from